Hi, it's Kerry. Welcome to my farm today. The cows are coming in first. Charolais cow and calf. And a Jersey calf and 2 Jersey cows. And here are the Jersey cows. Can you tell me how many baby lambs in today's video? The Charolais cow and the 2 calves. Sarah's brought in food for the calves. The farmer has brought in some hay for the adult cows. The Jersey calf is tired. That's better. We have sheep and lambs. I'm going to look in the surprise egg. And there's another lamb. The mother sheep will be very happy with that. And here comes the mother sheep, just to check out the new little lamb. Next we have horses, pinto horses. The stallion with its wild mane flowing out behind it. The mare and the beautiful foal. A bit of a noisy bunch approaching. Goose, ducks, turkeys, got a brown pygmy goat and a pygmy nanny goat. The llamas and alpacas are approaching. The alpacas have a box-shaped head. Lots of great animals on the farm today. Llama at the back. And all the beautiful cows. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.